We got a 2021 Tiguan, 60,000 miles, DDS motor. The customer's complaint is hard shift into second gear. Test drove it. Doesn't really feel like a transmission issue. Feels like this mount over here is kicking really hard. Not really second gear, feels more like third gear. So we inspected. This mount is loose. This mount is leaking. We're going to go ahead and replace those, and we're going to get going right now. Get the air box out of the way. And take out the battery and tray. Got a 13. 10s for the terminals. Okay. Pop these tabs out for this power wire here. Got a couple 1, 2, 3 T30s holding that in. Got 4 16s. This is where a wobble socket, a wobble extension really comes in handy.
What do we got here?
We got a rubber block on our floor jack. We're going to go right on the transmission pan.
So we're just jacking it up.
Just enough to take the tension off. Once you can move it, that's plenty. 3 18s. Up, down, side to side.
Is there any other way to tell besides just the looseness?
I mean, you can power brake it, you can inspect it here, and if you have a gap in between this rubber and the mount, you know that your hydraulic bonding has collapsed and failed on you.
Got it.
One, you can see plastic touching metal, touching the metal, nice and tight. Get that leaf out of there. 4 16s. Get a magnet before I push that down there and make it worse. Center them up.
Center them up, you said?
Yep. Okay.
Put the battery back in.
Got a fresh battery here.
Oh, we got a fresh one. Battery lock. Held in with a 13.
key in there.
What's that little do? That
This little vent. Yeah, we're gonna close that vent off.
Putting the positive terminal on first, routing the rest of the wires.
Nice cover there.
Silicone on the airbox. Mounting points. A little rubber grommet.
Lock it in. Secondary air breather. Intake manifold runner breather.
A little clamp on the airbox. Sensor.
Nice airflow sensor.